Hi, good morning. This is Jovi Gutierrez, financial coach of AXA Philippines. I would like to explain or present to you the Global Advantage Fund in peso. So marami po kasi nagtatanong kung paano ba mag-earn or paano ba nagwo-work ang Global Advantage Fund with access plan like My Life Choice Plan. So I will show you the historical performance of Global Advantage Fund. So this is the peso dollar denominated funds. Dati kasi available lang talaga to in dollar. But then AXA came up with bringing this plan into peso para mas maraming client ang makapag-avail and makapag-invest. And by the way, if you have a long-term horizon, then you can go for this particular plan. So if you will take a look at here, si Global Advantage Fund Peso started last November 2020. And then, fund manager is AXA Philippines, fund admin custodian is Citibank. And if you will take a look at here, it started with 10 pesos. And then yung current price niya as of July 12 is 12.19. So ibig sabihin, nag-increase na yung price per unit niya. So tumataas na yung value ni Global Advantage Fund in peso. Kasi in dollar, it was launched last 2012 and then it started with $1. And now its current price is around $4. But then since ang gusto ni AXA is makapag-invest ng mga Filipino using peso, so they are the one who is converting this into peso. Kung ano po yung prevailing rate ni Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So ano ba yung mga companies na nandito kay Global Advantage Fund? So ito po yung mga companies. So Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Facebook, Tesla, Nvidia, PayPal, and Comcast. And by the way, if you will do direct trading sa US stock market, masyado pong mataas ang per share nito. So like Facebook around $100 or $200 per share. And then si Tesla around $600. So sobrang laki ng ilalabas nyong pera and then you are not protected. Wala pong insurance component or protection yung direct trading. And now, if you will take a look at here, yung return niya po since inception or since November is 8.29%. But saan ba nagsimula si Global Advantage Fund? I will just let you see kung ano po yung price niya or cumulative returns niya since inception. So ito po yung sinasabi ko. It started with $1 but then now it's $4.38. And then, cumulative returns niya po since 2012 is 307.81%. So, yung mga nag-avail po ng plan in dollar since 2012 is kumita na po sila. By the way, I have a client who invested for Asset Master. It's single pay. Client paid $2,000 and right now, ang fund value niya na is $2,200. So basically, kumita na siya ng $300 kasi from the $2,000, binawas po ni AXA yung $100 na premium charge. One time lang naman yon. So yung fund niya naging 1,900. But then now, around 2,200. So kumita na po siya. Imagine in less than 1 year, kumita na yung fund niya ng almost $300. So same thing, of course, ito po yung mga top holdings. Kasi ito lang naman is dollar, and then we have the peso fund. Now, so paano ba natin siya i-incorporate kay My Life Choice Plan? So I made a sample proposal po for a 34 years old female. So basically, ginawa ko pong example is 20 years to pay. Now, ito po yung coverage niya. So there is accident insurance coverage, and then also life insurance coverage and disability benefit. So bakit 300,000? Pwede po kasi natin itong gawing 360 or minimum sum insured is 240,000 at the beginning. But then nilagay ko lang po sa middle kasi kung gusto niyo naman mag-focus more on the investment fund, then you can go for 240 na sum insured. But then if you want to have a higher protection, pwede naman pong up to 360. Kaya lang po naaapektuhan yung mapupunta sa investment fund. So ang ginawa ko na lang po dito, nilagay ko siya sa middle. So which is 300,000. So on the first year, meron po siyang startup bonus which is 70%. Ito po ina-invest ni AXA. And then it will be given to you on your policy anniversary. Granted, na hindi naglapse ang policy at wala pong missed payment si client and hindi po siya nag-stop ng payment or nag-apply ng premium holiday. So let's say on year 10, 20% will be given. At year 15, 20% will be given again. And then on year 25, 30% will be given. And then dito po nilagay ko 100% invested po siya sa Global Advantage Fund. Now, other charges I can discuss on a proper presentation or once we do a one-on-one presentation. So ito po, halimbawa 20 years nagbayad si client, then if 10% yung kinita ng fund niya, meron siyang 496,000. Kung ita-times mo to sa, i-multiply mo to sa 1,000, so basically client paid only 240,000. So ito po yun. My Life Choice, maximum coverage is until age 90. Then disability benefit or waiver of premium until age 60 covered si client. Then accident or accidental death and dismemberment benefit up to age 70. So this is the monthly 1,000. Actually, this is the minimum. But then if you want to have a higher coverage, pwede naman po. Siyempre, mag-rely pa rin po tayo kung ano yung needs and goals nyo or kung magkano yung budget nyo. Anyway, pwede naman po siyang dagdagan over time. Pwede po kayong mag-apply for regular top-up or mag-add ng lump sum amount which is minimum of 5,000. So, ito po siya. So, this one. So, let's say client paid 240,000 for 20 years. Then, if 10% yung kinita ng fund niya, meron siyang 496,738. The current rate of return is 9.75%. So, ito po talaga is for long-term investment. And syempre, kung gusto nyong meron kayong protection while investing. But if let's say you wanted a short term, then you can go for mutual funds or go for stock market or go trade. Ito naman po, halimbawa, walang withdrawal si client until the age of 60. Then, if 10% yung kinita ng fund, meron siyang 944,733. So if no withdrawal pa rin until age 70, meron siyang 2.4 million. But then in between here, pwede na naman siyang mag-withdraw kung kailangan ng fund. Especially this one, if gusto niya itong maging health fund. So pwede na siya mag-partial withdrawal after 20 years. Pero in between, pwede naman po. Huwag lang po mag-withdraw on the first 2 years kasi wala po makukuha. And even if magbago yung isip nyo, wala pong ma-refund. That applies to all insurance companies. Then on the 3rd to 10th year, meron po siyang withdrawal charge or surrender charge. So that one we can discuss also on separate session. But then this one is just an overview how this My Life Choice will help you to invest in global funds. Actually, hindi lang naman si Global Advantage Fund. If you are a moderate or conservative investor, then you can choose, let's say this Global Dynamic Allocation Fund, stable peso. So these are focused on bonds fund. Then if you want to invest in both equities and bonds, balance funds, so you can invest here in Global Dynamic Allocation Fund, multi-asset. So ito mga global naman din po. And then if you want to invest in Asia, Europe, and other countries, then you can go for Global Dynamic Allocation Fund Growth Peso. In here, kung gusto mo mag-diversify ng investment at hindi naman nakafocus lahat kay Global Advantage Fund, then you can make, let's say, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, total of 100%. Or if you want only Global Advantage Fund Peso and then multi-asset, then you can have, let's say, 50-50 kung moderate risk investor. But then for high risk or aggressive investor, you can go for Global Advantage Fund. If you believe na si Microsoft, si Facebook, and si Amazon and other tech companies will be there in the next 10 to 15 years pa. Kasi di po ba, yan yung mga companies na talagang matagal na sa industry. So that's my short presentation. And if you have questions, you can message me. We can do one-on-one coaching or one-on-one session. It's free naman po and with no commitment at all. It's still up to you if you wanted to avail a plan and if you wanted to secure your family's future or your future. Thank you.